Hi, my name is Chris Hill and I'm the Chief Executive here at Element Society. We are a non-profit based in Sheffield and we're here to benefit young people by helping them achieve the unbelievable. Today I'm here to talk about a project called Learning Through Nature, and that's a project where young people with special educational needs get out and experience, learn and grow from nature and learn to understand why it's so important to sustain it for future generations. Which is quite apt. I'm here with Sir David Attenborough, who was actually painted by some of our young people. This is one of the walls up in our building. But don't just take my word for it. This is one of my favourite projects. I know I shouldn't have favourites, but it is. But actually, why don't you hear directly from one of the beneficiaries, and I'm going to put him up now and wait till you see his cheeky smile. Thank you very much. What did you see today?
Rabbit.
Right. And what else?
Dog.
Dog.
Bird. Yeah. Me way.
That's good. Really good.
Grape.
What else did what did we make? Did you make a... So you just made a clay... What did you make just now?
Yeah.
Did you make a snake? What did you make?
Fan.
Snake.
Fan. Oh, me way.
So you made a snake?
Yeah.
Where did you put the snake? Dom, where did you take your snake? Outside into the...
Whoa.
Into the woods. Well done. What's going to happen with your snake? Who's going to see your snake? Yeah, they're all... Everybody. Okay.